Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. Today we're talking about NIST SP 800-171 Control 3.14.7. And if you made it here, congratulations. You're like 109 controls to the win with one to go. You and me both, we're ready for a beer. Hey look, the control is identify unauthorized use of organizational systems. And why is this the last control? Because it's probably the most important. Ultimately, this control is really going to tie together everything that we've been working up towards in terms of protecting our systems. Identifying unauthorized use of the system, if we can do that, we can typically stop an attack before it happens, right? We can identify when the unauthorized use begins. So we're going to tie together a lot of solutions. So let's go for it, man. Let's talk about our sample answer here. If we're writing this in a plan, we're going to say, hey, look, it's implemented via the CMMC solution as well as the physical premise access system. Right? Those two systems are how we monitor everything. Personnel are trained in insider threat and security best practices. In addition, the organization utilizes the endpoint management system and firewalls to monitor organizational systems, including all the traffic, to detect attacks and indicators of potential attacks, including identifying attack characteristics. Both of these systems are tied back into our SIEM system, and alerts go to our SOC and our IT personnel. Personnel are also trained in incident response so that when they get these alerts, they know exactly what to do and how to react. So they know what the incident response plan is, and should there be unauthorized use of an organizational system, they know exactly how to react following the incident response plan and procedures. That is the sample answer, and again, so critical to know and understand. It's really, we're just such big fans of the NIST SP 800-171 compliance standard. We really believe in this thing because actually, when you really follow it through, when you really learn what it means, when you really go through all the controls, the wild part about it is it takes you on this journey of maturing you, your organization, and your information security to the next level, to the highest level, so that you truly can identify when bad stuff is about to happen, when it began to happen, and how to stop it from happening, and keep the information that is so critical to you, the organization, national security, keep it all safe. So, man, if you've been following along with us in this series, or maybe this is the first video that you've ever seen, I just want to thank you guys for coming along for the ride. I'm pumped to be able to deliver this stuff. We don't charge any money for it. We're doing this as almost like a community service for the small to mid-sized contractors, defense contractors in the defense industrial base. You know, we here at On-Call Compliance Solutions are just stoked about the fact that our job is to help defend those who defend our country in terms of defense, and again, defending you guys against the #1 threat to our national security, which is cyber attack. And hey, if you're trying to get compliant with DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, or CMMC on your own, and you're looking for help, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit NIST800-171compliance.com or check out the bio below for links to make life easy. There you can find more information about how we can help. Self-schedule time at your convenience with one of our compliance experts through any form on the website, or learn more about our completely done-for-you services that have you on your way to being compliant in just 2 to 3 days. And listen, if you're doing it on your own, I wish you the absolute best of luck. I really do. I think a lot of you can go do this on your own, but let me tell you what, if your time matters, if you are a small to mid-sized business under 5,000 employees, maybe you're one employee, and you're in the defense industrial base trying to win those defense contracts, trying to be a great subcontractor for your prime, and trying to get a piece of that defense pie, let me tell you what, guys, we will help you out, and we will be the most cost-effective and efficient way to do compliance right. That's what we're all about. All right, if you love our content and you want to support us, give us a big thumbs up on that like button for all of our videos, or even better, smash that subscribe button. This isn't the end. Believe me, this is just the beginning. We publish all the updates. We're covering the entire DFARS, NIST, information security, CMMC spectrum. Guys, no one's more advanced in this game than us, and we love reporting on it and bringing it to you first. It's a great way to stay prepared for that upcoming CMMC certification. Everybody's going to have to eventually get through it. And my friends, until the next compliance tip, and I promise there will be more, I'll see you on the next one.